Well, there's been a tremendous amount of progress here at one of Southwest Florida's most exciting new communities here in Verdana Village. And I wanted to bring you an update as far as what is going on with the amenities, what will all be offered, and the progress that they've made since my last video, which is an exclusive tour of the entire community. You'll see that in the corner. Click on that one if you want to see more of the community, but let's jump right into it. So as you can see behind me here, we have 4 indoor pickleball courts. Now here's the thing, we are in Southwest Florida. It is beautiful here in the winter months, but there are times of the year where you're just not gonna wanna be outside, and that's like July, August, September for sure. And to have an air-conditioned space for the crazy, pickleball obsessed people, this is really an amazing amenity that you can't find anywhere else in Southwest Florida. And as I make my way over, there's also 2 indoor tennis courts. I mean, this facility is absolutely giant, incredible. It feels like, I don't know, it feels like Disney World for the athlete. We are in the full court basketball court. You know, I still wouldn't be able to make a 3-pointer, even with how nice this place is, but you just have to take in all. We've got bleachers over here. We've got the VV on the center court for Verdana Village. I mean, this really has it all. And at the sports complex, there is also a movement studio. And then check this out, we have a cafe that also serves ice cream. So if you feel really good about yourself after a workout, you can have some ice cream and ruin every last piece of that. And check out the amazing fitness center here. We have every possible piece of equipment that you could ever want for exercising, from free weights, lots of different options as far as machines go. And of course, we have to have a playground for the kiddos to enjoy. We're right across from the pool. So we've got our basketball court, main facilities here, and then we've got access to the amazing resort style pool. But let's go take a walk. Now, one of the centerpieces of the entire community is the resort style pool that we are right in front of here. Now, there are some strategically placed cabanas all around. There's also a center island that has 4 different sofa beds if you just want to lounge out, do some sunbathing. This really is like the perfect pool. You can see all of the waterfalls everywhere. We've got our beach walk-in, so you can just gradually walk into the pool. It's a pretty special place. But take a look at the outdoor facilities. We have even more courts. So we have 6 outdoor tennis courts and 12 pickleball courts. Absolutely incredible. If pickleball is your thing, I mean, Verdana Village, there's no question this is where you need to be. Some of the other amenities that are offered here in Verdana Village include bocce ball courts. There's the playground we discussed, a dog park, a practice court with a tennis ball machine. And we can't forget about the expansive pool deck with the yoga lawn. So you can come here and do yoga outside. My goodness, this has everything that we need here in Southwest Florida. This is the Craft Lounge and Pool Bar. It's gonna be absolutely incredible. The outdoor seating that's going to be possible is gonna be cocktails, a full-on restaurant. This should be completed obviously within a year, less than that, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be one heck of a campus. And that does it for our tour of the updated amenities here in Verdana Village. If you wanna check out the community in person, me and my team would be happy to explore the community with you and also see some others here in Southwest Florida to find the perfect fit for you. And if you could do me a favor, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing day. Look forward to speaking with you soon.